Good morning, students. Today's topic is complexation and protein binding. Today's class on introduction to complexation. In this class, discussing about complexation types, measurement, and applications. After completion of complexation chapter, we are understand the significance of complexation in pharmaceutical products development and understand the fundamental forces involved in formation of drug complexes, differentiate between different complexations and their types, understand the mechanism of involved in formation of a complexes, relate the formation of complexes with improvements in the physicochemical properties of drugs and bioavailability of drugs, identify the significance of protein and ligand interactions in drug action, and also understand the properties of plasma proteins and its mechanism of interaction with drugs, understand the techniques of in vitro analysis and factors affecting complexation and protein binding. Complexations. Complex compounds are defined as those molecules in which most of the bonding structures can be described by classical theories of valency between atoms, but one or more of these bonds are somewhat anomalous or different. These complexes constitute a separate class of compounds which results from a same type of interactions among the different chemical species. These complexes are also called as coordinated compounds. These complexes are generally formed by interaction between donor and acceptor or Lewis acid base reaction between two or more different chemical constants, forming these type of coordinated compounds. Before discussing about complexation, you will able to understand the some definitions. Acceptor and donor. What is acceptor? Is a metallic ion or neutral atom having capable to accepting a pair of electrons. Donor is a non-metallic atom or ion having capable to donating a pair of electrons. The intermolecular forces involved in formation of a complexes are there are different types of intermolecular forces are involved in formation of a complexes. Van der Waals forces, dipole forces, induced dipolar forces, covalent bonds, dipole and dipole forces, ion and dipole forces, dipole and induced dipole forces, hydrogen bondings. Difference between the complexes and compounds. Different property complexes are poses having some properties which are different from those of its components. Properties of some as solubility, absorption, conductivity, partitioning behavior, and chemical reactivity are studied to confirm the formation of a complexes. These physical properties or chemical properties are different from complexes to individual components. Ligand, an ion or molecule that binds to a metal to form a complex is called as ligand. Ligands having lone pair of electrons, they are having neutral or negative charge. Examples are ammonia, water, and ethylene diamino tetraestic acid. Types of ligands. Unidentate are also called as monodentate. These ligands are having only one atom capable of binding to a central atom. Examples ammonia, water, chloride, bromide, iodide, fluorine, cyanide, and cyano compounds. Bidentate, they are having capable to binding to a two atoms to the central atom. Examples oxalate anion and ethylene diamine. These are examples for bidentate. Tridentate, these are the compounds having three binding site to the central atoms. Example diethylene, diethylene triamine. It is also called as 1,4,7 triazaheptane. Multidentate example is hexadentate, having capable of binding 6 binding site to the central atoms. Example EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraestic acid, having 6 binding sites. Ambidentate ligand is a monodentate ligand that can bind in two possible places. Examples nitrate ions and thiocyanate ions. These are the different types of ligands which are capable binding to the metal ions. Classification of complexes. Complexes can be divided into two classes based upon the acceptor component is a metal ion or organic molecule. These are classified based upon the arrangement of one each other. Another class of complexes are include inclusion or exclusion compounds. It involves the entrapment of one compound in another molecular framework of another. So based upon this discussion, complexes are classified into three types: metal ion complexes, organic molecular complexes, inclusion or exclusion or no bond complexes. Coming to metal complexes, there are again classified into four types: inorganic metal complexes, chelates, olefin type, and aromatic type. Aromatic type metal complexes are again classified into pi bond complexes, sigma bond complexes, and sandwich complexes. Organic molecular complexes, there are again classified into four types: vinhydrone type and picric acid and drug complexes, caffeine and other drug complexes, and polymer type. Inclusion complexes, there are again classified into five types: clathrates, channel lattice type, layer type, and monomolecular type, and macromolecular types. These are the different types of complexes. Classification based upon their arrangement and entrapment. Metal complexes, these are the first classification of complexes. In this type, metal ion constitute the central atom and interacted with a base. It is a electron pair donor or ligand. This type of interactions leads to the formation of coordination bond between the species. These metal complexes are again classified into four types: inorganic type, chelates, and olefin types. Thank you.